financially independent is a dream many women grow up with. Many women, more than in our grandmothers and mothers' time, have managed to realize some part of it. They earn their own money and are able to spend it in the best way they know. They are in charge of their own financial destiny, and yet there are some money lessons that they learn too late in a job. Stay tuned as I share them with you now. I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and I love sharing my dreams, my journey to financial independence and peace of mind. We help women take charge of their finances with financial education that they should have provided you in school or college but didn't. I have met a lot of women in the last 10 years at Women on Wealth, and I have trained over 4,000 of them. Many of them are in jobs, run their own businesses, are freelancers, homemakers, etc. And today I want to specifically talk about women in jobs and the 3 money lessons most of them learn too late. Let's begin with the first job of yours. Were you really excited? Were you really happy? Well, all of us are. It gave us this newfound freedom with money that most of us never had before. We earned our own money and spent some of it on things that we liked. It was nice and it felt great. Most of us spent a lot of our money in the initial years of our jobs. And we also had some lessons from our jobs. Let me ask you, what did your first few jobs teach you? Did it teach you to give your best? To be smart in your workplace? To learn skills so that you can be paid more? Create champions, find mentors, network well, do well with your boss. But what it may not have taught you, how to grow the money you're earning. And this brings us to our first lesson. One of the financial lessons we learn too late in a job is that just earning money is not enough. It is critical for our financial future and security that we learn to manage and grow this earning as well. So that if after some time you want to build your own business or go for higher education or be free to take a sabbatical, you can do that. You can do that without worrying about finances and depending on a loved one. And this brings me to the second lesson. Often in jobs, we create the growth trajectory of each individual. But we don't help them create their personal vision. That is, enable them to create a vision for their own lives and work out how long they want to work in a job and what they want from it. Say you want to take a break after working for 15 years, or you want to do something else. You have a choice because you've created a financial support system for yourself that allows you the freedom to do what you want despite leaving your job. This system gets created when your investments are giving you an income and you are financially free. The third lesson learned too late in a job is that you do not invest your money to save taxes. You invest your money to create wealth, and tax saving is an activity inside of that. The investment instruments you choose have to fit into your financial plan and help you get enough diversification. These are not last minute and random decisions taken by others for you. If you are someone who got these lessons and would now like to take her financial life to the next level, get in touch. Just comment below. For others, what are the money lessons learned too late by working women? Start sharing.